What's going on these back roads and these paved streets? My name is Keisha and I am a homesteader. Today I will be solving a little small problem that I'm having, which is collecting vegetables. Right now I'm collecting them in a bowl, but I saw this cute little basket on Salty Dog Homestead and I thought it would be perfect for collecting fruit and vegetables. And I know right now I don't have it in my budget to buy one, so therefore I'm just gonna make it. I'm like Liam Neeson. I don't have a whole lot of money, but what I do have is a special set of skills. And I'm going to use those skills today to make my own vegetable harvest gathering basket.
Let's get started.
I'm somewhere in the middle, try to find myself again. But life is one big riddle, all the future and what's been. Guess it's the way it goes, and I will never know why you let me go. Look to the left, look to the right, nothing can stop me in the night, like I am leaving all the bad stuff and trying to remain so strong. I know it's good if I'm alone. I got it, I gotta go, 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 running to better times. Go, 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 from my emotions I'll go, 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 running to better times, to better times, to better times, to better times, to better times. To better times, to better times, to better times. Remember I was laughing in all the photos that you took, but now it looks like acting, like we were fiction in a book. Guess it's the way it goes, and I will never know why you let me go. Look to the left, look to the right, nothing can stop me in the night, like I am leaving all the bad stuff and trying to remain so strong. I know it's good if I'm alone. I got it, I gotta go, 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 running to better times. Go, 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 from my emotions I'll go, 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 running to better times, 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 to better times. I look to the left, look to the right, nothing can stop me, nothing can stop me in the night. Look to the left, look to the right, nothing can stop me in the night, like I am leaving all the bad stuff. Go, 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 running to better times. Go, 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 from my emotions I'll go, 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 running to better times, 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 to better times.
I braided some rope together for a strap, but it just seemed boring. So I was looking at this paracord and I thought, man, this would be the perfect design for a strap. So I'm going to cut this stuff up and see what happens. By the way, good morning. Trigger warning, I have never, ever done paracord before a day in my life. So I had to watch a couple of tutorials just to see if I could actually pull it off. I'm not just saying this just because I did it, but I think it turned out pretty cool, especially for it being my first time and having to watch the video right then and there. I think I did pretty cool. But my next thing is I'm going to cut this metal up, and it is for the straps, just to secure and make sure that because they're made out of cloth, that the nail won't go straight through them.
Somehow I think that I lost my head. Don't know why. Don't know why. I have realized when I'm with you, I wanna do what it takes to make you see, make you see that we'll be alright if you just let me show you that I can do better. And I apologize for everything.
giving this basket away to one of my lucky subscribers. All you have to do is like, subscribe, and comment down below, and this one can be yours. And with that being said, y'all know what time it is. Y'all have overstayed your welcome. Y'all been down here way too long. So I'm gonna have to trespass you. I'm gonna need you to get off my land. Bye.
Next time on Just Asking for a Friend.
Today I will be doing a breakdown of what I have in my get home bag, to go bag, survival bag. I've heard it called all kinds of things. It's basically a 72-hour bag that you use in case of an emergency.